Welcome home to a well-maintained updated ranch house with low HOA fees in the community of Sun Colony. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, open floor plan, working wood fireplace, laminate flooring, new roof 2020, HVAC 2012, kitchen has large pantry, all new appliances, a movable work island, made by homeowner, new receptacles, switches and plate covers in kitchen and dining room. Lots of closet space, new ceiling fans, freshly painted garage with attic, new screens on all windows. Screened-in porch relaxing overlooking lake, beautifully landscaped yard with fig and lemon trees. Pest control tubes and walls from Home Team Pest Defence with bond. Community amenities include pool, hot tub, a barbecue area. Community is just a few minutes to beaches, golf courses, shopping, restaurants.